Hi everyone, I'm Mohammad Nasib now Civil Engineering. Welcome to my channel SDC Designs. In this channel we discuss about application of various softwares in the field of civil engineering. In our current session we are discussing about REVIT. In our first two videos we have discussed about its unit setups and creation of levels. Now we are going to modify the levels. So let's proceed for today's lecture. Okay, you can see that on the screen we have created 8 layers here. The levels are created at random distance. So whatever we will do, that we will first rename the levels as per our desired, and secondly we will change its dimension. Okay, so let's proceed. In level 1, just click on the level first, then click on that box, that's edit parameter, and rename it as per your desired name. We rename it as EGL and click outside. While click outside, a confirmation box will appear asking that do you like to rename corresponding views. Just press yes. Whenever you press yes, you can see that in project browser the name has been changed to 1.egl. Likewise we will do the same for the rest of that part. This is ground floor, yes. Now this is our 3 dot first floor, okay, 4 dot second floor, 5 dot third floor, and 6 dot roof level. Okay, you can see that whenever we changed our name here, our name will automatically changed in project browsers, in floor plans and ceiling plans. It's because we give the permission to change in all levels. Okay, now it's the time to change about its dimension. You can see that whenever I click on a level, in left side there are two things. One is its distance from wall level and another is its distance from upper level, and below the name there is the vertical distances from level 0. You can see that the distance between EGL and ground floor is 13 feet plus, and ground floor and first floor is 12 feet and 9 inch, but the total summation is shown just below the first floor. So let's adjust the distances. So our ground floor is, you can see that it's from EGL there is a plinth level where the building starts, so we will provide that height at ground floor level. We can assume it as 2 feet. Okay, you can see that there is the distance between these two is now 2 feet, but in demarcation there is the two lines are overlapped. So first we will have to click on the lower line, and then you can see a symbol here. Okay, this elbow, it's add elbow. Just click here. You can see that automatically the line moves down, the demarcation moves down, so that we can easily view our demarcations. Okay, now this is, now we change it to 10 feet. If you change it to 10 feet, then it's come, as you fix the lower part at 10 feet, it comes to 10 feet, and if you change the upper part to 20 feet, then the distance between the upper level and this level is 20 feet, but we wish to change it floor by floor, so we will change it downwards only. Okay, again select this one and change it to 10 feet. Okay, again select this one and change this to 10 feet. We repeat the process until we rearrange all the things. Okay, you can see that it's a ground floor, first floor, second floor, third floor roof level, and there will one more level which is at stair top. So let's first create a random levels here and rename it as 7 dot stair top. Okay, and you can adjust its height as 8 feet. Now you can see that our modification of level is completed. Okay, and here is the total elevational height of the building is 50 feet with permitted here, and distance between levels, each floor is 10 feet, and the stair room is 8 feet high. Okay, this is how we can modify the levels. This is for today's lecture. In our next lecture we will discuss about how to create walls. Thank you for being with us. Subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.